If you'd like to smart control your lights using the Ollny app, here's how to get started. Download the Ollny app, find it in the Apple Store or Google Play Store, or scan the QR code in the down right. Then activate Bluetooth. You should turn on Bluetooth and plug in the device to ensure that Wi-Fi or cellular data is active. After that, open the Ollny app and create an Ollny account or log in as a guest. Now here is how to connect to your lights. Move your phone close to the control box. Tap Add Device button or click the plus icon to add your device. Connection success! Your device is now connected to the app. Congrats! Rename your device and choose a room. If your device can't connect after the previous step, press and hold the control box power button for 10 seconds. Wait for the string lights to turn back on to enter pairing mode, then try again. Let's explore Ollny app features, colors and brightness. Tap the plus to add color choices and adjust brightness with the slider. Lighting effects, tap the in the second button from the left. Edit default effects. Click on the desired effect to explore various modes. Long press to edit and save them. Create custom effects. DIY your style by selecting colors and light effects. Adjust brightness and speed. Select a mode and adjust brightness and speed at the bottom right. Painting function. Single frame painting. Create a single frame animation with dynamic effects. Color setting. Choose different colors, set gradient effects, and adjust color proportions. Multi-frame painting. Create multiple frames for dynamic movement. At least 2 colors are required. The painting effect shows in real time on the light string. Long press to copy and organize frames. Music rhythm. Click Add Music to import music files or import from the built-in music library to make the lights change with the rhythm of the music. Microphone function. Light effects change with rhythms detected by the microphone. Select different music modes and adjust brightness and sensitivity. Timer function. Click the clock logo. Create a schedule. Choose lights on and off times. Select the days to repeat the timer. Once on, you can choose colors or various effects. Group control function. Choose different Ollny Smart devices and create a group. You're able to control the group of devices now. Select a room and name it. If you want to disband a group, long press the group and disband it. Scene function. Click plus button to create a scene for a room place. You can also choose the recommended scene and apply it to the devices. Select the device that you want to create a scene with. Apply the scene to the device and name it. Finally, here are some FAQs that might help. Thanks for watching.